Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? Y'all, I want to show y'all this European deer mount I just got through doing. This is the first time I ever done one. This is of the 8-point buck that I shot in Tennessee, and I just want to show y'all how it turned out. I'm really happy with how it looks. Turned out really good, and I just used some simple things at home to do it, and it doesn't really take a lot of time, and the results were very good. So what I did, I just took the deer head, and first of all, you can take the skin off of it and everything, and that's going to help speed up the process as far as the soak time in the hot water. But what I did, I just took the whole head with the ears and everything on. I just threw it in the hot water, and what I used was what you would deep fry a turkey in, or you use any kind of deep dish pan, as long as the skull is done into water. Now you don't want to boil it, come to like a boil, anything like that, but you want your water hot. And the time I left mine in there was around about 4 hours, and you probably wouldn't have to do it that long if you didn't leave the skin on it. And like I said, I did this outside on my propane cooker, and so after I got through, I took it like a scraper and scraped all the skin and ears, all that just fell right off real easy. Then I took a water hose and cleaned off real good, and did a little minor cleanup here and there with like a knife. And for most part though, it comes out real clean. I also use like long scissor, surgical type scissor deals to get right up in here in the nose cavity, also in back behind here the brain, to pull the brain out. And like I say, you can blow it out with a water hose too, or a high pressure washer, whatever you decide to use there. But I just use the water hose. And after that, I just took what I had here, 3% hydrogen peroxide. I think I used 4 bottles, and I let it soak for like 16 hours, and then I sprayed it off really good with water, and I finished up with I got it from Dollar General store, but it's gonna be like your Mop and Glow floor cleaner. So I'm not really sure if it makes much difference, but mine turned out good, just using the cheaper stuff. And I just want to give you a little close-up right there. Now I know, see how nice it turned out right there, real white. I know a lot of people use like a higher percentage, 40-50%, something like that, peroxide. I'm not really sure where you get that. Like I said, I just used exactly what I had here at my house, and I can tell you firsthand, it may not do as good as the higher percentage, but it does a very good job, good enough for me. And like I say, I probably got $10 in this, y'all, and I'm very happy with it. And now I'm just going to add me a little hanger mount on the back, right back here, and hang it on my wall, y'all. And I'm sure I'll be doing some more of these just because I like the way it looks, and it's a cheap alternative to doing like a full head mount. And just want to bring y'all along today, show y'all that, and appreciate y'all watching the videos. And as always, friends, from my family to yours, y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you later. Bye bye.